it's Kelsey. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing and unboxing the MAXYOYO beanbag folding sofa bed. It is right here in this box. So I'm going to open it up, show you what it is, tell you all about it, and see how I feel about it. Okay, so here it is. It took me a minute to figure out how it actually went. It does say that it takes 2 to 3 days to fully expand because it was compressed in shipping. So 2 to 3 days before it, looks more like a sofa. Now this comes in 3 different sizes. There's the single, the twin, and the full. This is the full size, and this is a corduroy fabric. And it comes in 9 different colors. This is the light gray, but it also comes in like a faux fur and a velvet. But again, this is the corduroy. Okay, so as far as construction goes, this top piece here and this piece here has foam pieces, and this in here is just one big piece of high density foam. One of the really nice things about this is this cover unzips and you can wash it. So you can put it right in the washer, and that's really great for pets, for kids. Really just, it's great all around that you are able to wash it. But I am going to let this expand for 2 to 3 days, and then I will follow up and let you know what I think about it. As far as pricing goes, it does come in 3 sizes, like I mentioned. So for the single, that is $149. The twin is $189, and the full is $219. Again, this is the full size, so this was $219. Now you can get this on Amazon, which I will have linked in the description, but you can also just go to the MAXYOYO website, and they have, of course, this, plus tons of other furniture options similar to this. So definitely check that out. All right, so I am back. It has been a few days and the sofa bed has fully expanded. It actually looks so much bigger than it did when I initially put it together and took it out of the box. I'm actually really surprised. So I have it set up like in the sofa position, but I want to go over again the other positions that you can put it in now that it is fully expanded. And so here is one position. This is the sofa position, and then you can, so that is another option that you can do. And then you can do that. It's just like a floor mattress. And then if you need it to be even bigger, you can do that. So this would be really great if you have a spare room like we are in right now, and I don't have a bed or anything in here, and I have a guest and I don't have a bed. This is perfect. It's pretty comfortable, and this is basically a pillow on top. So really you just need blankets and you're good to go. Obviously it is good for pets, like we have right here. Come here, pet. Come here. It's great for pets because it is washable. So you would just unzip it right here, and this cover comes off quite easily, and then you just put this in the washer, and it's great for pets, great for kids, would be really good for little ones as like a play mat. So overall, I really like it. I think it has a lot of good uses, and it's affordable. It's easy to move around your house, move into your car, wherever you kind of need it. And I love the fact that you can wash the covers. That's a huge benefit in my opinion. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's a pretty good value. So the only thing that I kind of don't like about it, if you want to keep it in the couch configuration, which I think I would most of the time, you do have to lean it up against your wall. And that might not work for you if you wanted it in a place where you didn't have a wall, or you just simply don't like things pushed up against your wall. So that's kind of the only negative that I can see. One thing I really didn't talk too much about is how comfortable it is, and it is pretty comfortable. It's a little lumpy, as you would kind of expect, because it does have pieces of foam in there, but I mean, it's pretty comfortable. I'm happy with the comfort level. I do have this linked in the description, so you can look at the different sizes, the different colors, the different fabrics, and all of that. If you have any questions, something that I didn't cover and you are curious about, please ask that in the comments and I will try my best to answer that question for you. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later.